Hey, it's Adam with this latest how-to video. If you're like me and you took your car to shop and I don't know why, but they unplugged the battery and the windows have this one touch feature and you can't figure out how to do it, this is how. All right, here we are. I'm turning the ignition on. This window, one touch. Goes down all the way. This window, nope, doesn't work. Here's how you fix it. Pull and hold up for 2 seconds. Release. Pull and hold up for 2 seconds. Release. One touch. That's our latest how-to video.